Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clone your HubSpot content. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse existing pages, blog posts, or email templates without starting from scratch, saving you valuable time and maintaining consistency across your content. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign into your HubSpot account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, you'll be ready to access your content library where all your assets are stored. Now look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Hover your cursor over the content option. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear, revealing all the different types of content you can work with in HubSpot. This menu is your gateway to all the assets you've created. From this expanded menu, you'll need to choose the specific content type you want to clone. HubSpot organizes content into categories, so click on the type that contains the item you're looking for. This could be website pages if you're cloning a standard web page, landing pages for promotional pages, blog for blog posts, or emails for email templates. Each type has its own dedicated section. After clicking your chosen content type, you'll be taken to a list view showing all your existing assets of that type. This is where you can see everything you've created in that category. Now locate the specific item you want to clone from this list. Hover your cursor over the item's name, which will reveal additional options. You can either click directly on the item name to open it, or look for the Actions menu next to the item where you may see a clone option available immediately. Once you've accessed the item, look for the Clone button. This might appear in the item's Options menu or in the Actions dropdown. Click on Clone to initiate the cloning process. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to configure your cloned asset. In this dialog box, enter a new internal name for your cloned content. This is important because it helps you differentiate the copy from the original in your content library. For example, you might name it About Us minus copy or blog post titled Clone. You'll also need to select a campaign to associate the cloned content with, which helps with organization and tracking. Finally, confirm the cloning action by clicking the confirmation button. HubSpot will create an exact duplicate of your original content with the new name you specified, ready for you to edit and customize as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.